your smooth muscle fibers, which are arranged helically, and then arranged by gap junctions that permit vasoconstriction and vasodilation. Since these are muscles, di ba? Since these are muscles that surrounds your blood vessels, yung main function ng muscle mo, di ba, sa katawan ay constrict and relax, di ba? Since constrict and relax ang function ng muscle natin, ang ginagawa nila sa blood vessels natin ay pinapaliit tsaka pinapalaki. Anong significance nun? Ang significance nun ay for you to control now your blood pressure. Okay? And then the connective tissues that can be found in your blood vessels are your collagen fibers and your elastic fibers. Since it is prone to stress and stretch, it needs to have collagen fibers and elastic fibers for it to go back to its original shape. Okay? So the major component of your elastic fibers are your, of course, elastin. Okay, which is also a component in your large arteries. Yan. Ayan, the tunica media, it's the middle layer. It is made up of concentric layers of helically arranged smooth muscle cells. Interposed among muscle fibers are variable amounts of elastic fibers, elastic lamellae, reticular fibers, and proteoglycans, which are produced by smooth muscles. So in arteries, the media may have thin external elastic lamina separating it from the outermost tunic. And then you have your tunica adventitia. It is made up of your connective tissue consisting principally of your type 1 collagen and elastic fibers. Your collagen kasi, maraming types yan, okay? You have types 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pero the one that is found in your blood vessels is the type 1 collagen. Okay? It's also known as your basal lamina collagen, kumbaga. It's continuous with and bound to the stromal connective tissue of the organ through which the blood vessel runs. Okay, so this one, kung nakikita nyo, this is your intima, and then media, and then your externa. Okay? Ayan, or tunica adventitia. In your veins naman, same lang siya, pero maninipis. Okay? Maninipis. So now let's go to your vasa vasorum. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng vasa vasorum? Okay, let's go back to the picture. 'Di ba? Ang primary function ng heart natin is to supply the body with nutrients. Tama? Okay. Pero since your blood vessels are also organs themselves, kailangan din nila ng nutrients. Okay? So one way by which they acquire nutrients is via simple diffusion. So kung yung dugo na nanggagaling dito, magsisip out, papunta dyan. Pero kung nakikita nyo kasi, napakakapal ng tunica media. So paano naman yung mga nasa laylayan, di ba? Wow, laylayan. Pero paano naman yung mga nasa gilid? So paano makakapunta yung mga nutrients doon? Okay? So dito naman, ayan, same is true with your vein. So the answer to that is your vasa vasorum. Basically, it means vessel of vessels. So yung blood vessel mo, meron din silang sariling blood vessels. Kasi nga organs din sila eh. Need din nila ng nutrients, di ba? So your vasa vasorum provides metabolites to cells in those tunics in larger vessels because the wall is too thick to be nourished solely by diffusion from the lumen in the blood. Okay? So kapag lalo na sa artery mo, di ba, napakakapal yung tunica media. So the density is greater in your arteries. So mas madaming vasa vasorum or blood vessels that surrounds your arteries. Because they carry the oxygenated blood, large veins commonly have more vasa vasorum than arteries. And then vasomotor nerves, network and unmyelinated autonomic nerve fibers which release the vasoconstrictor norepinephrine. So, tingnan natin dito. Sabi dito sa last bullet, vasomotor nerves of unmyelinated autonomic nerve fibers which release the vasoconstrictor norepinephrine. So, in this picture, di ba sabi, mas madami daw vasa vasorum ang veins. Bakit? Kasi nga, ang component ng vein mo ay the oxygenated blood. So, basically, puros wala ng oxygen yung blood mo dyan as well as yung laman niya ay puros waste. So anong nutrients ang mahuhugot niya doon? Di ba? Wala. So dapat mas madami siyang vasa vasorum for it to be nourished. Okay? And then, in your vasa vasorum as well, ito, itong pinaka